doing areas of similar triangle. What we are doing is areas of similar triangle. You have to show two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We are given that. So we say we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to AB upon PQ the whole square equals to BC upon QR the whole square equals to AC upon PR the whole square. That is what we have to prove. So construction, we are saying in those two triangles, we'll draw the altitudes or the perpendiculars. So we are saying draw AM perpendicular to BC and draw PN perpendicular to QR. AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Also, we know area of any triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height, isn't it? So area of triangle ABC is half into BC into AM, and area of triangle PQR is half into QR into PN. So area of this triangle upon area of this triangle is half into BC into AM upon half into QR into PN. Half and half will cancel. So we are left with BC into AM upon QR into PN. Is it done, Riza? Riza? Done or still writing it? If you are done, then I'll proceed further. Done. Okay. Now look at triangle ABM. This part of the triangle ABM, and this part again PQN. ABM and PQN. Okay. So what is happening in PQN and ABN? Now since the triangles angle B and angle Q will be equal, angle B and angle Q will be equal because triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR. So angle B is equal to angle Q. That much we know. Okay. Similarly, angle M and angle N will also be equal because each of them are 90 degrees. So these two triangles by default will become similar. These two triangles by default will become similar. Okay. So if the triangles are similar, then their sides also will become similar, will also be in proportion. So we can say AB upon PQ equals to AM upon PN. Okay. So in place of AM upon PN, I can write AB upon PQ. So BC into AB upon PQ over here. And this BC and QR also are in proportion. So that's what we are going to see. So let's write down. Now, in triangle ABN and triangle PQN, angle B is equals to angle Q. Reason, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR that is given to us, and angle M is equals to angle N. Reason, each is 90 degrees. Each is 90 degrees by construction, whatever. Therefore, triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN by AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria. Now, if the two triangles are similar, therefore, AB upon PQ equals to AM upon PN. Call this number 2. Call this number 2. Copy till there. Then I'll need the board. I'll have to erase this part. So please copy till there. We have come till here. AB upon, okay. Can I erase this part? Well, I've done this. Riza, Abdul Ahad, have you all done this? Please let me know if you have done, then I'll proceed further. All of you have done? Good. So we have done till there. Now, let's proceed from here forward. So AB upon PN, AN upon PN equals to AB upon PQ. Okay, that part we have got. We also know triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is given to me. Okay, triangle is similar, that is given to me. Therefore, AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR equals to AC upon PR. Okay, call that number 3. Now, pay attention. Here we have got this upon this. Okay, equals to, this was your first distance. In place of BC upon QR, in place of BC upon QR, I am going to write AB upon PQ. ये BC and QR को ऐसे ही हटा देंगे और यहाँ से BC upon QR की जगह पर ये लिखेंगे. Okay, therefore area ABC upon area PQR equals to, in place of BC upon QR, I am writing AB upon PQ into AM upon PN from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3. Okay. Now, what is AM upon PN equal to? AM into PN upon PN is also AB upon PQ. Okay, so here now I'm going to say, therefore, area ABC upon area PQR equals to AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ from 2. From 2. Okay, so I've got AB into AB from 2. So this would become AB upon PQ the whole square. AB upon PQ the whole square. But what is AB upon PQ? It is BC upon QR. It is AC upon PR. That is what we get. Therefore, using equation 3, we get, or using 3, we get area ABC upon area PQR equals to AB upon PQ the whole square equals to BC upon QR the whole square equals to AC upon PR the whole square. Please copy this now. Okay, this is how we prove the theorem. This is how we prove the theorem. Please copy this, then we'll proceed further. This is an important theorem. They can ask you as a theorem, or definitely you will have applications of this. अगर theorem बोलकर नहीं पूछा गया, you can be sure you're going to have applications of this in your exam. So please copy this. Please let me know if you have finished. Today you all have to do exercise 6.4. Small exercise, so not to worry. Next class, we are going to see Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. In fact, before that, there will be similarity in right angled triangles that we are going to prove. Then we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem and then converse of Pythagoras. Done, Riza? Okay. So let's proceed further then. Let's look at an example based on this. Draw the diagram parallelly as I'm drawing so that we'll see it fine. And as I said, next class, whenever we have, that time we are going to study now Pythagoras. There are two theorems in that we are going to do. Keep writing this. Draw this diagram. Okay, copy this question. In the figure, the line segment XY is parallel to side AC. In the figure, the line segment XY is parallel to side AC of triangle ABC, and it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. And it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Find the ratio AX upon AB. Find the ratio AX upon AB. Okay. Copy this question. Let's see what is the ratio. AX upon AB is what we have to find out. Okay, so let's see how to do that. First, we'll understand. See, XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC. If the lines are parallel, these angles also will be congruent, corresponding angles. So also will. So if the angles are congruent, two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle. two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, we can safely say the triangles are similar. We can safely say the triangles are similar. Okay. Also, we know just now we have done ratios of areas of similar triangles. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equals to side 1 square upon side 2 square. So 1 upon 2, okay, the bigger one, that is twice ABC, and this parts are divided into equal areas. मतलब ये अगर x है तो ये भी x है, तो ये full thing 2x है. So area of triangle ABC is 2x and area of triangle BXY is 1x. So it is 2 upon 1. So if I were to say ABC upon XBY, it would be 2 upon 1. That is the ratio of the areas, isn't it? And that is equal to the square of the sides. What are the squares? What are the sides? For ABC, it will be AB, and for this will be BX the whole square. It will be BX the whole square, isn't it? So if I want to find just AB upon BX, AB upon BX equals to root 2 upon 1, because 1 ka square root is going to be 1, 2 ka square root is going to be root 2. So XB upon AB equals to 1 upon root 2. Okay. Now I want AX and not BX or XB that I've got. That I don't want. So I'm going to say 1 minus XB upon AB equals to 1 minus 1 upon root 2. Now this one will become AB minus XB upon AB equals to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Okay, equals to root 2 upon. So AB minus XB will be AX. AX upon AB equals to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Now we do not leave it like that. Okay, we do not leave it like that. We rationalize the denominator. That means we multiply and divide by root 2. Multiply and divide by root 2, because in short, we are multiplying by 1. Doesn't change anything. Root 2 into root 2 will make it 2. Root 2 into root 2 will make it 2. And 1 into root 2 will make it. This will be your ratio. This will be your ratio when we solve it. Okay. That is what is going to be the answer. But let's write it systematically. Okay. Let's write it systematically. All of this is going to come. I'll try and see if I can see anything. Solution: in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC. XY is parallel to AC, that is given. Therefore, angle BXY equals to angle A, and angle BYX equals to angle C. Reason: corresponding angles. The reason is these are corresponding angles, and because they are corresponding angles, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle XBY by AA similarity criteria. Triangle ABC similar to triangle BXY by AA similarity criteria. Okay. So therefore, also we know. So this first of all is similar. So if they are similar, therefore area of ABC upon area XBY equals to AB upon XB the whole square. AB upon XB the whole square. also area x ABC is 2 times area XBY. Area ABC is 2 times area XBY. This is given. So what is going to happen if that is the case? Therefore, area ABC upon area XBY equals to 2 upon 1. Area ABC upon area 2 upon 1. Call this 2. This was 1. Therefore, from 1 and 2 you get AB square, AB upon XB, the whole square equals to 2 upon 1 from 1 and 2. AB upon XB, the whole square equals to 2 upon 1. That is AB upon XB equals to root 2 upon 1. AB upon XB equals to root 2 upon 1, or XB upon AB equals to 1 by root 2. XB upon AB equals to 1 minus XB upon AB equals to 1 minus 1 upon root 2. AB minus XB upon AB equals to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. And after that, AB minus XB upon AB is nothing but AX. That is how you're going to show. Therefore, AX upon AB equals to 2 minus root 2 upon 2. 2 minus root 2 upon 2. Okay, complete till here and also do exercise 6.4 for homework. If you have any doubts, queries, questions, now is the time to ask. Please copy this. Once you have finished, let me know. Please ask. A minute is remaining, otherwise then you will have after that your next class. And when we meet next time, we are going to see Pythagoras theorem. 3 theorems we are going to see and some examples before we finish this chapter. Okay, so please prepare for it. If you have any doubts, solve the exercises, ask. Now is the time. Once your schools begin and lots of work is there, that time you will not get much time. Complete this. If you have any queries, questions, please ask now. No doubts? Okay. So now once you log out, please log in again for your next class. We are done then. Chalo, bye.